For 15 years, the Scrum Master's daily reality was a heavy logistical workload, often performed under the title of team coaching. The job required manual oversight of every moving part, chasing daily blockers, adjusting Jira tickets for accuracy, and coordinating schedules across time zones. Agentic AI changes the nature of that oversight. Unlike a standard chatbot that responds to a prompt, an agent is autonomous software. It monitors an environment, makes decisions, and takes action without waiting for a human to trigger the process. These agents can now operate within the background of a Slack or Teams workspace to manage the administrative scope of an agile workflow, from logging updates to routing requests, at a scale a human facilitator cannot match. This automation of the logistical layer creates a shift in the profession. The version of the role defined by administrative tasks is facing a reality where the software handles the mechanics, forcing a choice between evolution and irrelevance. We can see this transition clearly in the daily stand-up, the first ceremony to be fully integrated into an automated system. Before the meeting starts, an agent manages the logistics. It cross-references global calendars and logs remote attendance automatically, flagging absences before a single person joins the call. During the meeting, the agent listens to the audio waveform, extracts text, and identifies specific blockers. When identified, it routes context to the correct stakeholder and generates a track ticket automatically, completing follow-up before the stand-up wraps. The stand-up becomes an automated routing hub. The process removes the human facilitator from their role as a manual bridge between team members and departments. Moving upstream to sprint planning, the technology shifts from tracking current tasks to acting as a predictive analyst. Traditional velocity tracking relies on a small sample size, usually the last 3 sprints, to estimate what a team can handle next. This often results in capacity guesses based on incomplete data. This chart visualizes the AI pulling from a team's entire history to find performance patterns. These generate a forward-looking trendline with a risk heat map. It flags early scope creep on specific tasks and predicts external dependency delays before work begins. Sprint planning evolves into a process of reacting to machine-driven forecasts of specific pipeline risks. While data can forecast a deadline, it hits a hard boundary at the retrospective. AI can manage the data-driven requirements of a retro, such as compiling health check metrics, analyzing sentiment in surveys, and tracking the completion of past action items. The algorithm lacks the ability to read the tension in a room or interpret the silence that follows an uncomfortable comment. It cannot navigate the interpersonal friction between 2 engineers. Psychological safety is a condition built by a human facilitator, willing to sit in discomfort with the team, a nuance that cannot be reduced to an optimizable metric. This distinction is why organizations like Scrum.org have introduced specialized certifications, such as the Professional Scrum Master AI Essentials. The new expectation for the role is clear. The Scrum Master directs the AI to handle mechanical logistics, then reinvests that saved time into conflict resolution and human facilitation. Those who continue to focus on the logistical tasks will find their work automated. The practitioners who thrive will be the ones who use AI to clear their schedules for the one thing software cannot do: building human trust.